Imagine a workday where your commute is as short as the time it takes to open your laptop. Welcome to the world of virtual assistants, where administrative skills and digital tools combine to create thriving online businesses. Today, we delve into how former office workers are leveraging their organizational prowess to become virtual assistants, thus transforming traditional administrative roles into lucrative, flexible, and independent careers. Virtual assistants isn't just a modern adaptation of secretarial work. It's a sophisticated, multifaceted profession tailored to meet the diverse needs of today's businesses. From scheduling appointments and managing emails to content creation, social media management, and even bookkeeping. The scope is extensive and constantly evolving. This broad array of services makes virtual assistants appealing to a wide clientele, including entrepreneurs, small businesses, and even large corporations looking to streamline operations without expanding their physical workforce. Starting a virtual assistant's business does not require extensive capital or office space. The basic requirements are surprisingly minimal: a reliable computer, a stable internet connection, and a quiet space to work. However, the true foundation of a successful virtual assistance business lies in one's skill set. Proficiency in organizational tasks, excellent communication abilities, and attention to detail are crucial. Additionally, familiarity with commonly used software, such as Microsoft Office and Google Workspace, alongside tools like Trello, Asana, or Slack for project management, can give aspiring virtual assistants an edge in the competitive market. An important aspect of becoming a virtual assistant is specialization. While some choose to offer a wide range of services, others find their niche, focusing on industries such as real estate, law, or creative services. Specializing can set one apart from competitors and allow for premium pricing due to the targeted expertise offered. This ability to tailor services to meet the specific needs of particular industries demonstrates versatility, a key trait that clients find appealing. In addition to skill and specialization, effective marketing is vital. Establishing a professional online presence is crucial, starting with a well-designed website that clearly outlines services, pricing, and contact information. Joining freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr, as well as engaging on LinkedIn, can greatly expand visibility to potential clients. Furthermore, testimonials from satisfied clients serve as social proof, reinforcing trust and credibility. Communication is at the heart of virtual assistants, and maintaining clear professional interaction with clients is essential for long-term success. Regular updates, prompt responses, and understanding client needs can cultivate a strong working relationship. Offering exceptional customer service not only retains existing clients, but can also lead to word-of-mouth recommendations, a powerful tool in expanding a business's reach. One significant advantage of virtual assistants is the potential for work-life balance. With the capacity to set one's own hours and work from virtually anywhere, many virtual assistants find they can easily balance professional obligations with personal interests and responsibilities. However, this flexibility demands self-discipline and organizational prowess to manage tasks effectively and meet client expectations without the oversight common in traditional office settings. As the digital world continues to evolve, the demand for virtual assistants is expected to grow. This profession embodies the shift from conventional workplaces to more dynamic, adaptable work environments. It provides an opportunity for those with administrative skills to harness their abilities in a way that offers personal satisfaction and professional growth. In conclusion, turning administrative skills into an online business through virtual assistants is more than a trend. It's a viable career path with limitless potential. By combining organizational prowess, specialized skills, effective marketing, and outstanding communication, virtual assistants can build successful businesses that thrive in the digital age. As we look to the future, one thing remains clear. The role of the virtual assistant is not just here to stay. It's poised to become an integral part of the modern workforce landscape. Stay locked in for non-stop side hustle inspiration. Follow and subscribe Urgent need for income right now? Check out www.kill9to5.com.